Okay, so this is a quick demo of how to input news and events to update this box that you find on the right hand side of each of the programs. So you see it on our home page, you'll also see it here on the academic, you'll see it on the right of the business program and of the LLL program as well. There's a feed coming into each of these. So coming back to the home page, first of all, to know whether you are able to input any information into news and events, you need to sign in. So clicking on the right-hand side, input your credentials and sign in. If you then get a link here on the top right-hand side that says Edit, then you will be able to input news and events on the Language Centre webpage. So you then need to come down that dialog box into More, because in order to update these, the feeds actually are taken from pages that are hidden underneath the site. So click on More, and then change the tab at the top from Current Page to Subpages. And as you look down the list of subpages, you can see there's a page for news, and there's a separate page for events. So here we're just going to concentrate on adding a news item. Now you've found that news page, you can see that at the top in the URL box you've got News plus tab, so that's where you are. You then click Done and come into the top of that page. From there you need to click Create New Item, and you've got a series of dialog boxes. The title for your item, some detail which may be copied from the email that you've got about the news event or whatever. Keep it short and keep it interesting. And then in detail, select the radio button. If you've got a web address perhaps for people to look at, in which case you can copy and paste that web address into the URL box here. It may be that this news item is relevant only for a certain period of time, in which case put a tick here, expire news after a certain date or time, and you'll see you've got dialog boxes there to insert the date and time that you want expiry. The next section is very important. The tags actually tell the news feed where to display the news. So maybe something that's only relevant to LLL, in which case you just select LLL. But if it's relevant to all the programs, then you need to select Academic, LLL, Business, Homepage, and Staff in order for everything to turn up on the front page of each of those sections of the website. There is an opportunity to create new tags if you want further detail on your news, but it is important not to have too many. We've probably got too many here already. And then click Create Item, and from there automatically your item will feed through into the pages that you selected through the tabs. And that's all there is to it.